Butter. Sa-re-ga-ma-pa-tha-ni-sa, sang the curtains, the sacred hob slung low, purring blue in low stool squats, frothing shingara, dikya. Splash of soybean, splattering air. In the corner, the mighty kolshi, sweat brimming in earthen rings. My grandmother called it kolosh, in a back of throat H. Coconut oil in my mother's hair, smearing what I breathed in. On days she stayed in, sound of pestle ground haldi, churning turmeric. Dal bore holes into plates we ate, thin like my father loved, floating peaji bereshta, burnt honey and tadpoles swimming to the edge of his mouth, his moustache dipping into lake sips of water frozen in the fridge. My mother took the butter out of the fridge each morning, spread our days with it. Butter.